Welcome to the Study Corner. What are conditionals? Conditionals describe the result of a certain condition. For example, if you jump in a pool, you get wet. Here, if you jump in a pool is a condition and you get wet is the result. There are four main types of conditionals. Zero conditional, first conditional, second conditional, third conditional. Zero conditional. The zero conditional is used to talk about things which are always true. Examples: if it rains, the ground gets wet. If you heat ice cream, it melts. First conditional. The type 1 conditional refers to a possible condition and its probable result. Examples: if it rains, I will stay at home. If I have enough money, I will go to Japan. Second conditional. The second conditional is used to imagine present or future situations that are impossible or unlikely in reality. Examples: if we had a garden, we could have a cat. If I were taller, I would buy this dress. Third conditional. The third conditional is used to express the past consequence of an unrealistic action or situation in the past. Examples: if I had known you were in hospital, I would have visited you. If you had studied harder, you would have become an engineer. Thanks for watching.